Hey, what is up everyone? I'm back here and look at her wearing the skirts she said she wasn't gonna wear. Found this shirt from Oner Active, very old. You can adjust with the elastic and it's not too bad, not my favorite yet. I think I'll prefer with a sweater, but it's coming. Soon it's gonna start getting cold. But I came here because I got a big package. It's big and heavy. I bought the new drop on Tuesday night and I received Saturday morning. That was really fast. And like I live very far. I live in Hong Kong, guys. But I'm really excited. I got a few items. Some items sold out that I wanted. So I didn't bring a lot of new stuff, but I'm really interested on the oversized joggers and also the fleece jacket that I got. So I'm going to show you guys. I think that's why it's so big, is the fleece jacket and the joggers. And I'm so excited because I really wanted them before my trip to Ireland this week. So I was like counting down every day. I was checking my email to see if they sent me already because I was really nervous it wasn't going to arrive on time. It arrived like really quick. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's open this package. Oh. Yay! So the fleece jacket was an item that they launched last year. But to be honest, I didn't really love it last year and I'm happy I didn't. Some items I prefer to like let them launch first and then wait for it to come back on a 2.0 version because they will always like adjust and adapt stuff according to what the clients, like the people said, the members said. But this year when they showed us the photos, I really liked it more. So it's longer than last year and I think it's a little bit more oversized. I also really like the colors that they picked this year. So I was in between the green one, the racing green, and the umber brown. But I already have quite a lot of brown stuff. I love brown, but I already have a lot and I have like a brown leather jacket. I have the Oner Active 70% cocoa sweater as well. I have another set, like thick set brown pants and top. So I was like, oh, maybe I'll get a green one, like a more fun color, but that is still very easy to wear with other colors. Any other color is a nice color combination, this green, I think. So I'm really happy. So it's really oversized. I got a size small, I just noticed. Let me see. I was very struggling to decide the size. I was really like checking the reviews. I was watching Tracy's reviews and other girls' reviews, trying to like figure out what size to get for the lounge, for the fleece and for the pants. And I really like the small. I think the small is already like very big. You can adjust the bottom, so you pull this. Yeah, so it's kind of like the shirt that I have that you can adjust if you want it longer, and then you're gonna tuck it inside like this. It's really nice, very nice and warm. Inside is a brushed fabric, like soft and brushed. I wonder how we should wash this, because I think if we wash in a normal washing machine, I don't know how it's gonna end up looking like. So I don't know if we have to like dry wash it or... I got a size small and I think it's perfect. I wouldn't go with a medium because it's quite big. Like even the sleeves go pretty well. I can put like other layer underneath it, or I can just wear it open. Oh, there's a pocket here that I want to test if I can fit my phone. I'll tell you guys, I'll write it on the screen if I can fit my phone or not, because some of the influencers said you could, some said you couldn't if you have the Max Pro, and mine is a Max Pro, so I really hope I can fit my phone here. Okay, so let's try the pants now, and then I might have to go. I might have to finish the try on another day because I'm really late and I have to go for lunch and it's like 3 p.m. So for the pants, I was also like very nervous. I even asked some of the influencers. Some of them did answer me. They said they would size down because I was worried. Usually I would get a medium size, but it looks so oversized on them and I was scared of being too oversized and I wouldn't like it. I love that it's straight legs. That's mainly why I got it. And oh my god, I had to get, so this one is sold out. It's sold out on my length. So I had to get a regular length and it's really long. So hopefully since I got it early, I might take it somewhere for them to shorten it for me because it's gonna be too long. I'm just gonna try over my skirts because I'm late. Nice, so I actually sized down. So I ordered this extra small. Yes, I got an extra small. So my true size would be small. So sometimes I'll get medium to be more oversized, but for Oner Active, most of them, I don't think you need to be a medium. I usually just get a small. And this one is a extra small. So I like it more like this. Is the perfect, like I don't have to tighten this. I don't have to, and the girls that were wearing, it was so loose on them. They would even have to like fold it like this, and I didn't want to do that. So I wanted it to be a little bit looser. This part here, the length apparently is a little bit bigger as well, so that's why I felt comfortable doing the extra small. The inseam, not the inseam, right? Inseam is this part. But anyways, I think the extra small, and it's still very oversized, the fit. Still look very big. I think it's mostly for the waistline part. It's very long on me. So I usually get the short length. The regular length, I'm gonna have to get it like, I don't know, like 5 cm chopped off. I'll take these home to measure and then see, look. I really like this color. It's a warm off-white color in person, so I really love it. Other items I got, I don't even know if I should do a try-on haul because they're not like really new items. The mellow rib mock neck tank, white and extra small. So this is a very old item and I love it so much. I have in black and in white. And my white one I've been wearing so much there's no white anymore. It's like becoming like, you know, when you use too much the white colors, please leave me tips for how to keep them white because mine is just, here in Hong Kong I sweat so much, so it's kind of looking like, started to get disgusting, like would get darker, the fabric, even though I'm washing. And sometimes I feel like even washing too much also makes the fabric get darker. So I love that one so much. I bought a new one and I really wish they would bring that back because I really love those tops. I got an extra small because it's a mellow rib and it's very stretchy. So then I got a soft motion 6-inch short in black in a small size and in medium size for the sand collar. So sometimes I feel like I needed like a whitish short. So I got the sand one and I really wanted the top, the halter neck top, the tank that they had, but it's sold out. I really wanted to wear that with this to go to the airport this week, but I guess not this time. And I got in a medium size because the small size was sold out, but I actually think I prefer a medium because it's very stretchy, it's very comfortable. Mediums on me are fine as well. And since it's like white, it's a sand color, I thought that more fabric would be better. So 2 shorts, the rib tank, and then I also got the soft motion high neck bra that has the little shape here, so nothing special. If I wear it, have a photo or video, I'll put it here. But I was mostly excited to talk about the lounge stuff. So that was it. Let me know, guys. I'm gonna travel now, and I was thinking when I come back to do, like, get inspiration on items on Pinterest or something and use it with like my Oner Active items or stuff like that, you know, create winter looks inspired by Pinterest photos into real looks I can wear here, or like some Oner Active items or even like maybe some other gym items, but you guys know I mainly have Oner Active. But you know, mix and match with like other clothes items that I wear to like for a dinner, for a party or whatever. And so I'm thinking about doing that video when I come back. I'm not gonna have time before I go, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.